What's up, YouTube Nation? It's your girl Tay from Tay's Way, and I'm here with yet another hair review. Today I'm going to be reviewing a 360 breathable wig, and I say it like that because that's how they advertise it. So I'm sure you've probably seen them all over your timelines, because I know I have, on IG and Facebook. But this wig is by the Luvme hair company. You can visit their website at lovemehair.com. I'll have all of that down below. So I got the 20-inch straight Virgin Brazilian 360 breathable wig. So you can put this in a high pony and all that good stuff. So here's the box it came in. I can't not show you all the box. Pretty purple box. You know, packaging is everything to me. Like, I used to not care, but now I've noticed that the better the packaging, usually the better the quality of hair, because it makes it look like the company takes more pride in their product. So they're having a huge sale, by the way, just so y'all know. But looks like they gave me a razor comb for free. This is cute. So it's a razor comb, and it looks like it has a regular comb at the end. It's the first time of me even seeing something like that. And I got this nice flat iron. Ooh, and this is the one that makes it easy to curl your hair because it has plates on the outside as well. So definitely here for that. I believe this is like a $200 flat iron that they gave you. So the wig comes in this cute purple bag with the gold lettering. I'm definitely here for that. And let's see. Let's take off this net and light a candle. No, I'm just kidding. So it looks like they curled the wig for me, which they didn't have to do, especially considering I'm about to bleach these knots. So it'll get washed out anyway. But she comes pre-plucked, so you don't have to worry about that. And it looks like the knots are not bleached. Not a big deal though. They're not the huge knots that I've been seeing lately, so I'm assuming it's not double knotted. And they pre-part it for you, which I think is cool. So this is what she looks like. The hair is extremely soft. As you can see, even with the curls, my fingers go right through it. So the hair quality, I'd give it like a 7A, you know. It's not a 9A, but let's look at this hairline. That's my makeup. Yes! Give it up for them for this realistic hairline. Don't worry, I'll insert pictures so you all can see. I'm definitely here for it. Like, it has curves and grooves and dips. So let's get to the inside of the wig, because I'm already in love. No, I didn't get this at, well, I got it at a discount because I caught a sale, not for my review, of course, but they already sewed an elastic band in there for those of you who like to go glueless. It also comes with, let's see, 4 combs. So it looks like there's a comb right in the top, one on each side around the temple area, and then a comb at the very bottom. So 4 combs. And along with the elastic band, it also has an adjustable strap. So that's good. And it's a 360 cap. So as you can see, the lace goes around the entire wig, hence enabling you to do that high ponytail that you want. And the elastic band is sewn down to the sides of the wig. So I'm gonna have to bleach the knots. Kind of sad about that. But the ends of the hair look pretty good. It's hard for me to tell because it's curled. Very hard. But it looks healthy. But it's hard for me to tell. So let me bleach these knots and I'll show you what she looks like on me. And we back. So there has actually been a 2-day time span in between the initial unboxing and this actual video, and that's because I wanted to put the hair to the test. So me and babe has been going out on dates and doing stuff and all that good stuff, and I wanted to see how the hair held up to the humidity, how it held up to me going to sleep on it and not wrapping it, how it held up to me constantly playing in it and things of that nature. And y'all, this hair is a beast. This is the best hair I have purchased ever. I have to say ever. Now, are there things I don't like about it? Absolutely. One thing is, when I was bleaching the knots, certain areas took longer to take than others. And you probably like, took longer to take? I mean, take to the bleach as far as lift. It took longer to lift. I don't like leaving my bleach on for extended periods of time because I feel like it strips the hair, and that's what leads to things like shedding and matting and all that other stuff. So I didn't care for that, but it took. So it's all virgin hair. I just didn't like that. Second thing was, when I did my little side part here, I had some flyaways in the middle. It's only like 4 or 5 of them, but flyaways nonetheless. And I ended up putting mousse to lay it down. So I didn't care for that. But everything else, I love it. I'm trying not to play in it with this hair. It's so soft. It's so flowy. Like I said, I went to sleep in it. I didn't tie it up. I didn't braid it. I didn't do anything. I just fell asleep on it. And the hair is still like fabulous. Do y'all see this? It takes the heat well. It doesn't require a lot of product. In fact, it doesn't require any product. I personally did put a teeny bit of oil, and I do mean a really teeny bit because I wanted it to have more of a luster to it. But other than that, this hair requires nothing. Even when I washed it, like as it was air drying, it was so soft, and I was just like, yes. So this is the first hair I purchased in a long time that I didn't have to do a ridiculous amount of maintenance to. And I don't know if you all can see, I keep playing in it because I just can't keep my hands out of it. I have on a necklace. You see there's no hair caught in my necklace. Necklace can still move freely, hair can still move freely. So I'm definitely here for it. Has a very natural hairline. Now, I'm no pro at this, but you know, I make it do what I can make it do, how I need to make it do it, right? Very natural hairline, which you've already seen, but I wanted you to see it on me. That's why I have it kind of pinned back. And I guess there's nothing else but to show you where it comes. So remember, I'm 5'9", and this is the 20-inch, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. As you can see, it's coming down there. All in all, would I buy this hair again? Absolutely. In fact, I've already repurchased some. I paid for this. They didn't pay me to do anything. It wasn't free hair. I wanted to give you my honest opinion because you all know I'm always trying to bring you the real when it comes to purchasing things, because I know a lot of us work hard for our money and we don't necessarily want to just be giving it away. This hair, oh my god. Luvme hair absolutely has a new loyal customer in me. I'm so grateful. I don't have to waste any more of my money. Again, if y'all have any questions, let me know down below. You can actually get this unit right now for about, if you get my unit exactly, you can get it for $220. It's normally like $480 something. They're having a sale, but it's going to end fairly soon. But I'll put all that down below. Any questions, comments, or concerns, again, drop them below. And I hope you all have a wonderful and happy week, weekend, month, year, decade, century. Love you for free.